Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and remove this original stereo from a 2012 Toyota Highlander. This would work from the 2008 to 2012. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and lower our glove compartment, then put our keys in the ignition, put it on the on position, then lower our gear so we can have more room. You want to push your brake, lower the gear. Now we have more room right here. The first thing we're going to do is get our little pry bar, a little plastic one. I usually like to use this so I won't dent anything on the dash. I've used a screwdriver before, but it leaves markings everywhere, so this is the safest way to go. So I have this one also. I usually bought a kit, so these work pretty good. So the first thing you start doing is taking out these plastic pieces right here. So you get on the edge right there, and you can see there it starts to be removed. So as we take both of the plastic pieces off, the cigarette lighter comes off together. We're going to go ahead and disconnect all the electrical there. And you see we have access to the AC control unit. Alright, so on this AC control unit, what I had to do is grab it from both sides with both of my hands, and then I pulled gently out. So it has no screws, it has nothing, it's just clip-ons. So just be careful not to break the clips. Alright, so down here we have two 10mm bolts. So I got my drill here, make this easy. Alright, so now we're going to remove this top plastic piece to have access to the bolt on the top of the stereo. I went in between and just pulled it out. So it's clipped, just be careful not to break anything. Now we have access to these two 10mm bolts. Once you remove the bolts, you'll be able to pull out the stereo, and now you can go ahead and just remove all the electrical wire from the back.